everyone! Welcome back to Up English 101. I'm Sue, and today we're going to talk about something that every learner faces at some point, problems in English.
Hi everyone, I'm Jake. Yeah, Sue, that's such an important topic. Learning English isn't always easy, right? Sometimes we get stuck, confused, or even feel embarrassed.
Exactly. But don't worry, today we'll show you how to deal with those problems, stay motivated, and keep improving your English step by step.
So grab your notebook, relax, and let's talk about real-life English problems and real solutions.
Let's start with the first problem many learners have, understanding native speakers.
Oh yes, native speakers talk so fast. They use slang, shorten words, and mix everything together.
Exactly. Like when someone says, "Wanna grab a bite?" It actually means, "Do you want to eat something?"
Right. So one solution is to listen more to natural English, YouTube videos, podcasts, or songs. You don't need to understand every word, just focus on the main idea.
And try to imitate the sounds. Shadowing is a great technique. That means repeating what you hear almost at the same time. Another problem, forgetting vocabulary.
Oh yes, that's a big one. You learn a new word today, and tomorrow, it's gone.
I know, but don't worry. The trick is to use it often. Make sentences with it, write it down. For example, if you learn the word confident, say, "I feel confident when I speak English."
That's perfect. Repetition and real-life use, that's how memory works. Now let's talk about emotional problems, like feeling shy or nervous when speaking.
Oh yes, many learners say, "I understand English, but I can't speak."
That's totally normal. You're afraid of making mistakes, right?
Exactly. But mistakes are part of learning. If you don't make mistakes, you don't grow.
That's so true. I like to tell my students, mistakes mean you're trying.
Yes. So next time you say something wrong, just smile and try again. People will appreciate your effort. Another emotional challenge is losing motivation.
Ah, yes. You study hard for 1 month, then you stop.
Right. So how do we deal with that?
Set small goals. For example, I'll learn 5 new words this week, or I'll watch 1 English video every day.
Exactly. And celebrate small wins, like, "Yay, I understood that movie scene."
That's how confidence grows.
Now let's move to problems in real life, at school or at work.
Good idea. Let's start with school problems. For example, when you don't understand your English teacher.
Yes, that's common. One thing you can do is ask politely. Say, "Sorry, could you please explain that again?" Or, "I didn't catch that."
Perfect. Don't be afraid to ask questions. Teachers love when students show interest. And what about work? Imagine your boss speaks too fast in English.
That's stressful, but you can say something like, "Could you please repeat that more slowly?" Or, "Can you write it down for me?"
Yes, being polite is key. Using words like please and thank you always helps communication.
Exactly. And if you make a mistake at work, don't panic. Just say, "I'm sorry, I misunderstood. Let me fix it." Let's share some strategies to deal with English problems every day.
Sure. My first tip is practice speaking daily, even alone. Talk to yourself in English. Describe what you're doing.
That's great. Like, "I'm making coffee," or "I'm going to the market."
Exactly. You don't need a partner to practice speaking.
And my tip is, watch English videos with subtitles, first in your language, then in English.
Yes, that helps you connect sounds and words.
Also, use English learning apps or join online speaking clubs.
Great idea. Or record yourself speaking, then listen and see what you can improve.
Now, let's learn some useful phrases for dealing with problems in English.
Awesome. I'll say the phrase and Sue will explain.
Phrase 1. Could you repeat that, please? Use this when you didn't understand something. It's polite and clear.
Phrase 2. Sorry, I didn't catch that.
That's a friendly way to say I didn't hear or understand you.
Phrase 3. Can you explain that another way?
Perfect for when something is confusing.
Phrase 4. I'm not sure what you mean.
Use this when you need more clarification.
Phrase 5. Could you spell that, please?
That's useful on the phone or in class. Here are more problem-solving phrases for daily life. 1. Don't worry, I'll try again. 2. That's okay, I can fix it. 3. Let's find a solution. 4. Can you help me, please? 5. I'll do my best.
Nice. These phrases help you stay calm and positive, not just in English, but in life.
Let's act out a few short situations.
Okay. Scenario 1. At work.
Jake, could you send me the report by noon?
Sorry, could you repeat that? By when?
By noon, 12 p.m.
Got it. Thank you.
Perfect. See? Polite and professional.
Scenario 2. In class. Please open your books to page 45.
Sorry, what page again?
Page 45.
Oh, thank you. It's simple, but polite communication makes everything easier.
Finally, let's talk about staying positive when you face problems.
Yes, English learning is a journey, not a race.
Exactly. You'll make mistakes, but you'll also make progress.
So keep going, be kind to yourself, and remember, every word you learn brings you closer to fluency.
We hope today's episode helped you understand how to deal with problems in English with confidence and a smile.
Yes, and remember, you're not alone. Everyone faces these challenges. Just take small steps every day.
If you enjoyed this lesson, don't forget to subscribe to Up English 101 for more fun, real, and easy English lessons every week.
Like, share, and leave a comment below. Tell us, what's your biggest problem in learning English?
Thanks for listening, friends. Keep learning, keep smiling, and see you next time on Up English 101.